Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you two effective solutions to fix the problem of arrow keys not working on Windows 11. And now let's get started. First, let us address a common setting that might be causing this issue. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Once in the Settings window, navigate to the Accessibility tab on the left-hand side. Scroll down the page until you find the Keyboard section. Click on it, and then ensure that all three toggle switches within this section are turned off. These switches should be in the off position for your arrow keys to function correctly. If adjusting the accessibility settings did not resolve the problem, the next step is to update your keyboard device drivers. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Select and open Device Manager from the search results. In the Device Manager window, expand the list of keyboard drivers. Right-click on each keyboard driver listed, and select the option to Update Driver. Repeat this process for all keyboard drivers present. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.